Welcome to OnTrack Enterprises. Here you see the Easy Burn Napkin Destroyer machine. So this is called the switch on-off switch. So you pull this up and the machine starts running. So auto timer, you see the time which is set as 14 minutes, but this is adjustable where you could increase or decrease the time based on your requirement. And the next box is called the auto temperature control, where the temperature is set to 260 degrees, which again could be increased or decreased. So you need to press this at a time so that you see the temperature getting increased or decreased. Red color button here is called the power indicator. So as soon as the power is on, this indicates that the machine is working. Green color button is called the burner indicator. So when the burner keeps running, this indicates that the burner is on. So when the temperature reaches 260 degrees, the burner automatically gets switched off and the temperature is no longer running. So how to use this machine? The procedure is, all you need to do is very simple. Open this door, wrap the napkin in a newspaper, put them inside this, close the door and press this red color button on. So the temperature starts running and the time is already set. The machine helps us in burning the napkin that we have dropped into the machine. So at the bottom of the machine you see the ashtray. So once the napkin is burnt, you pull this and you could collect the ash from this ashtray.
Like 7 actually.